is. El Peñón de Gibraltar. You all set, Murph?
Dagger 1-3, this is Hemlock. I'm your three-letter specialized skills officer. Be advised, Carter and Espina are heading down towards Old Town. Once you've joined them, haul ass to the PAX TOC. Intelligence reports a PAX commander at the target.
Roger that.
And you'll be part of the beach landing. The Matrix under attack! Disembark now!
Marines, get in! We need to get clear of the ship now! I got the turret!
Dagger, status.
Just made it out.
Copy. Okay, push these back to defensive positions, then move out to your objective in Old Town.
Roger.
Oh, fuck! The Macon is going down! Make it right! Straighten it up! We got mines in the water! Take him out! More mines ahead! Protect the Amtrak's!
Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2 inbound. One mic from the BOX! Under heavy fire! Deploy smoke! Approaching the beach!
Taking fire from the beach! Holy smoke, that was close!
Ready for beachhead!
On the beach! Contact front. Engaging. First wave of troops deployed. Advancing. Push through their defenses. Bravo 4, hit! Repeat, Bravo 4 is hit! They're using code!
Incoming!
We're hit!
Shit! Stone! Lopez! Eyes front!
Murphy, multiple targets ahead! Murph! They've got AT in those bunkers! Clear them out!
I'm working on it!
Enemy 12 o'clock, engaging! We got multiple hostiles incoming! Lay down suppressive fire! Take out those launchers!
These fuckers ain't giving up easy!
They're falling back! Advancing! Murph, there's more! In the trenches! Getting target!
Viper 1-1, Viper 1-2, inbound north. Time on target, 1 mic. Payload release in 30 seconds. Over.
Contact front! This position is heavily fortified. Put suppressive fire on it now!
Releasing.
Danger close! Cease fire! Friendly's in the AO! Jesus! Cast cutting it close! We got friendlies pushing through! Covering fire! Contact 12 o'clock! Taking fire! We got friendlies under fire! Murph! They're getting chewed up! We got an RPG on our right!
Fuck! They're pinned down! Stone! Hold us here!
Coming in from our flank! We're taking damage!
Look! We got casualties!
Multiple hostiles, 3 o'clock! I'm going out there! Dropping ramp! Moving to the wounded! Cover me! Murph, I need a clear lane to load up the wounded on the Amtrak! I'll cover you! Multiple hostiles incoming! I can't get him to the track! Take out those tangos! Taking fire!
We got friendly armor pushing in, Lope! Now's your chance!
Stone, I can't move him far! Head towards me! Get in the Amtrak! All hostiles down, we're clear. We're in! Go, go, go! We need to get these dudes to the CCP!
Negative!
Patch him up best you can, Lope. Stone, take him on to CCP after we've linked up with the rest of Dagger.
Copy.
I got you. Let me work on that. We need to stop the bleeding.
Murphy! We need some help down here!
You! Turret!
I need to patch him up. Keep pressure on this wound.
I got you. What unit you with?
They just lit us up. We were the first wave. They just tore right through us. It was a shooting gallery.
Rest of your unit get off?
I'm the only one who made it. It's just me.
Just breathe. You'll need your strength when it hits you. Trust me.
Coming up to the link-up point! Gear up! Looks hot!
Stone! What do you got?
Dismount! Dismount! Hey, keep pressure on this wound.
Go! I'll get him to the CCP!
Clear ramp! Clear ramp!
Move your asses, Marines! Welcome to the shit show.
Found an RPG.
They man the toes! Murphy, take them out!
Cannot advance with anti-tank in the AO. Switching to holding position.
Murphy! Artillery! Five in the fight!
Sniper in the building! Use explosives! Take the toes off the board!
Nice shooting. I'm out. Watch my feet.
Has! Grenades on these tangos!
On it!
Heads up! Watch out! Target's moving.
Taking heavy fire! Advance!
Reloading! Keep him off me! Toes down!
Charlie 5, toes are down. You're clear to move in.
Good copy, Dagger 1-3. Advancing.
Reloading! Keep me covered!
Contact 12 o'clock. Pass reinforcement.
Charlie 5 engaging.
Push forward! Target down.
Ammo drive! Reload!
Multiple enemies. Opening fire. Moving.
Close!
Shotgun is down!
We're losing ground.
Hostile spotted. Engaging.
I'm out! Reloading!
Charlie 5 on the move.
All out! Reloading!
We're clear! Hemlock, we've linked up with Murphy and Lopez.
Copy. Provide an escort for Charlie 5. Approach the TOC with extreme vigilance. Intel suggests it's heavily defended.
You heard the man. RZ on Charlie 5. Keep it active while we advance on the TOC. Move!
Make contact once you secure the objective. Hemlock out.
Objective is to escort Charlie 5 to the TOC. Once we found our Overwatch, we move on the compound and secure that PAX commander.
Good to have your support, Dagger. Packs are dug in around here, using the buildings for cover. Perfect for an ambush.
Roger that. Raiders, scan high and low. Cover your sectors. Contact.
Reload!
Right, what?
Live him! Grenade down! Grenade incoming! Have to reload!
I'm down! Patch me up!
I got you!
You're a lifesaver. Clear.
Keep that armor moving!
Copy. Better take this.
Contact front!
RPG!
Take cover!
Taking damage.
Murphy, repair Charlie 5!
Building's coming down! It's going down!
Don't get caught up in it! It's coming down!
Empty! Reload! No lighting up!
We're clear. You're good to go, Charlie 5.
Moving.
We've picked up radio chatter. Packs are dug in ahead.
Contact!
Building up!
Sniper neutralized!
Get into position! I'm reloading!
Frag out!
AFB on our flank!
Nice work, Murph.
Launcher! On the rooftop!
Hold in position!
Covering! RPG! Get down!
Reloading!
Reloading!
Keep going! Don't let up!
Tango above, down! I'm out!
The route's blocked. Down the stairs, through the alleyway. Push through.
Copy.
Under heavy fire!
We're taking heavy fire.
Ambush!
Marine! The IFB needs repairing.
We're taking heavy fire.
Dagger! Protect Charlie 5.
We're clear.
You can advance, Charlie 5.
Negative, Dagger 1-3. We cannot advance until all hostiles in the immediate area are down.
Roger. Dagger, clear the streets.
Vehicle down!
Ammo crate, resupply. Hostile using cover.
Elevated target eliminated. Reloading!
Friendly hit!
Enemy in cover.
Elevated target eliminated.
Have to reload!
Light him up, Dagger.
Raiders, all hostiles eliminated. Link up back at Charlie 5.
Friendly's ahead.
Dagger! Lancer, where's McIntyre?
He's advancing on the enemy position.
Dead center.
Cover me while I reload.
Cover
Take this ammo!
Fuck! Armor! Get to cover, Marines! Flank the enemy. Use the buildings.
Charlie 5, hold position. Holding.
Move! Provide cover fire. Push forward!
Take out that armor before it wipes us out!
Enemy armor is out of the fight!
Clear! Charlie 5, all enemies eliminated. Advance. Moving, Dagger 1-3.
TOC's up ahead. Think Pax is rolling out the welcome wagon for us?
Shit! It's falling!
Charlie 5, hold. The road's blocked. Roger, Dagger 1-3, holding back and we'll wait for your order.
Az, we got stairs here.
Marines, with me. Move up.
With you. Moving up.
Stay alert. Scan the windows and rooftops. Cover your sectors.
Scanning high.
I got low.
We need to find that Overwatch position.
There's no route through.
Found an opening.
Imagine leaving everything behind, just like that.
You think they made it out?
Dagger, through here.
I got rear.
Boss, 12 o'clock. Isn't that...
McIntyre.
How the fuck they get him? And where's the rest of Lancer?
No fucking way.
What are we looking at?
There. Between those pillars.
Got him.
I got the shot. Just say the word.
Negative. The amount of firepower down there, they'd carve us up. We need backup. Charlie 5, this is Dagger 1-3. Over.
Charlie 5, send it.
Confirmed. Hostiles at target location.
Copy that, Dagger. Flanking from the east. Give the order and we'll push through.
Copy, Charlie 5. Friendlies in the area. Wait for my call.
Roger that.
Murphy, tell me there's a way down.
Square's covered. Looks like weapons and ammo.
Weapons cache. Pax is covering.
Copy.
Any way to make it to McIntyre?
We got options. And a fuck ton of packs to push through.
Motherfucker!
God damn it.
Talk to me.
McIntyre's gone. No mercy.
All right, listen up, Raiders. Securing this fob is our top priority. Let's not make it personal. All right. Let's move fast. Let's move decisive. Take clear shots. Check your ammo. Dagger on my 6.
Roger that.
Let's go. Let's move, Marines. Charlie 5, you are cleared to move in.
Roger that, Dagger 1-3. Coming in from your 3 o'clock.
Enemy armor! South of the square!
Maintaining defensive position. We need to clear the way for Charlie 5.
Grenade! Get down!
Advancing.
Medic! Keep them off me! Taking heavy fire! Front, RPG, 60 meters. You're on your own.
Appreciate it!
RPG coming in! 5, you are cleared to move in.
Roger that, Dagger 1-3. Coming in from your 3 o'clock.
Enemy armor! South of the square!
Maintaining defensive position.
We need to clear the way for Charlie 5.
Give him hell, Marines!
Advancing.
Target neutralized!
Holy shit!
In position!
Tango down.
Coming!
Flank left or right. Use the buildings as cover. Move now!
Enemies in the building!
Contact. Building opposite.
Clear them out.
Position! I hear them!
10 o'clock.
Incoming!
RPG. 40 meters. Low.
Take out the tow on the roof.
Roof's clear.
Charlie 5 is clear. Moving on the objective.
RPG. 50 meters.
Cover me!
Low.
Reloading! Carter! Grenade right here!
Roger that.
Keep moving.
RPG!
Nice shooting!
Reloading! Stay low and keep moving!
Reloading!
Grenade.
Frag out!
The square is clear. Move to the building. Thanks for the help, Charlie 5. We've
Enemy down!
We're clear. Advance to the TOC. Cover me. Reloading.
Contact.
Contact high. Mark, on point. Push up the stairs. Let's find that command room.
Hostile using cover!
Target behind!
Reloading!
Enemy in cover. Grenade inbound. 30 meters.
Watch my back while I reload!
Suppression fire!
Move! Now!
Reloading!
Anyone got eyes on the command room?
Look like the room opposite.
Push across, Marines. That asshole might still be here.
Come on!
Pushing.
Target
Reloading.
I got you!
You're a lifesaver! Target above neutralized!
Eliminated the target.
Friendly!
Ammo over there!
I'm out! Reloading!
Enemy using cover!
Clear the room.
I'm reloading! Toss and frag!
clear? Clear.
Room's clear. Conduct SSE. Fucker's gone!
Has. Looks like our ride is here.
The world as it's commonly known has crumbled. Alliances that held since the end of World War II? Gone. All the traditional assumptions about who's on whose side? Gone. But you know, every crisis is an opportunity. Like the man said, chaos is a ladder.
Gotta wonder how Kincaid evaded all detection. His forces bypassed early warning systems, weren't revealed on ISR. How'd he do that?
Maybe they're pros. Maybe the same way you got inside my house.
They came in like ghosts and executed hundreds of decorated Brits. Hard bastards.
They got rolled. Even worse than I did. Georgia was a Pearl Harbor attack. Gibraltar was worse.
They had new tech, and you didn't tell us.
I did not withhold intel about Pax Tech.
None of the countries supporting Pax make shit that could mask that kind of entrance.
But we do, though. Don't we?
Were you here on orders? I wasn't able to make contact with you. Whose assignment is this?
What happened to trust me like I trust you? You know, like in Cairo. You don't trust us? That hurts, Mills.
Of course I trust you. That's why I sent you to Cairo. I knew you could handle little things like an impending civil war.
And the Egyptian president cutting a deal with Pax to help the army. And Fayek Salim selling intel to Pax.
I wasn't sure about Salim. That's why I needed you for confirmation.
But you guessed Georgia was a heist. Pax was there to steal something from us.
Yes. I had to find out if they were willing to use it against us. We had one good unit on the ground. Special Missions Unit 777 under Ibrahim Al-Khatib.